right. Hey everyone, my name is Doc Chelle. Welcome to the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel. Um, I think I've recorded close to 100 videos, so I'm in that mood right now. I'm so thankful that you're here and that you care about your future and that you're letting me be part of your journey. Remember, my videos complement Khan Academy, so you can watch my videos instead of Khan's, but make sure you do the practice questions. If you haven't watched the 4-pillar video, do that. And if you haven't watched the Khan Academy Dr. Test Prep video, do that. If you have my book, we are on book shameless plug 150. If you don't have my book, great. Take notes. Okay. The videos are way more important than the book. The book is just to help keep you organized, especially if you're studying over multiple weeks instead of a couple days. Also, make sure you've opened up the Desmos calculator. I'm going to refresh just to show you. The link is in the description. Click Choose Assessment and College Board. If you don't, you will not have all the same functionalities that I do. And then you just saw my real name, Dr. Michelle Ehrig. There you go. Okay, here we go. We're doing Unit 8, Lesson 5, Nonlinear Functions. Given the table to the right, find the value of g of f of -1. So we will use the Desmos calculator for some other ones, but here it's much easier just to look at the table. First, we're going to find f of -1. So that means when x is -1, what is f? When x is -1, f is 3. So now we've got, okay, well, what's g of 3? So first we did f of -1. So we look at the -1, that's our x. We go over to the f of x column and get g, the 3. Then we plug that 3 into g, which now puts us right here. And we want g, here's my g function, so my answer is -2. And it's really just taking your time and not rushing. Take the extra minute to get the question right. The end. All right, now let's go to Desmos. So it says if a of x equals x squared minus 3x and b of x equals 2x plus 1, what's a of b of -2? So first we just type in the functions. A of x equals x squared minus 3x and b of x equals 2x plus 1. So we can either look at the graphs or we can keep typing. I'm going to keep typing. Now it says a of b of -2. This is a fancy way of saying a of b of -2 first. So first, what this means, and again, I would put this at like a 600 level question. First, we're going to find this. So that's what we're going to type into the calculator first. B of -2. And we get -3. Now we're going to type in a of -3 to get our answer. So we've got a of -3, and that gives us 18, and that's it. Done. Desmos is amazing. The end. All right, given the information to the right, what is the value of b of a of 1? The print's kind of funky for the video, so let's just type it into Desmos. Our first function is -2x plus 2. And I made that one dotted, so I just long press this and click the dotted line. Our b of x function is 4x plus 1. Does that look about right? It does. And it wants b of a of 1. So first, we need to figure out what is a of 1. That's our first thing. And I wrote 11 for whatever reason. Come on, eraser tool. We'll just make this a big 1. Okay, so I'm going to go here and type in a of 1, and I get 0. I don't know why Word is acting up. Now that I've got 0, it doesn't mean empty set, it just means 0. We're going to go here and type b of 0, and we get 1. And that is our answer. Done. If we did it on the graph, we would go over to here's x equals 1. That point is 0. We would go to 0 and go up, and here's our 1. But I I like Desmos, so I just typed it into Desmos and followed the functions that way. Okay, in our next video, we are going to go over the harder examples of lesson 5. So come back and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.